5:30 tonight, a dog comes into the animal ER nearly lifeless, but after a special treatment inside a hyperbaric chamber, he gets up and walks around just minutes later. Good evening, everyone. I'm John DeCepolo.
And I'm Stephanie Watson. Thanks for joining us. When you hear hyperbaric chamber, most in our area associate divers using the chambers after suffering decompression sickness, otherwise called the bends.
But CBS 12 News started looking into other uses for the chamber, and as it turns out, some swear they are miracle machines. CBS 12's Juan Carlos Vanhul has tonight's special report.
It's a four-legged emergency at the animal hospital.
They found him floating in the pool.
Archie, a little terrier, fell into a pool just 1 hour ago. It came into the Animal Emergency and Referral Center in Fort Pierce nearly lifeless. Listen to its breathing.
It had some damage to its lungs and some damage to its central nervous system as well because of the lack of oxygen for a period of time.
The quickest way to get this tiny near-drowning victim to recover is by sticking it in a hyperbaric oxygen chamber. In he goes with another pooch in despair for about an hour.
The chamber is going to provide its brain with more oxygen, of which it's been short on for a while, and it's going to help reduce the inflammation and swelling that is occurring in the lungs.
An hour later, the dog that couldn't walk,
And there he is. Now he can walk. Look at it. See?
it's no miracles, says veterinarian Dr. Ronald Lyman. His practice, the only one offering hyperbaric oxygen treatment to animals in the entire region, uses the chamber to help dogs with a variety of health problems and disorders. Broken bones, brain trauma, and wounds among some of the uses. When you take oxygen and pressurize it into a tube, Lyman says the oxygen is forced into an animal's cells, bringing them back to life.
The healing process proceeds forward much more rapidly due to the effects of the hyperbaric therapy.
Say hi. Hi, TV. Hi.
Pamela Trafficant also swears by hyperbaric oxygen treatment. She was worried sick about Sir Calvin, an 11-week-old golden lab puppy. Just 5 days after getting him from the breeder, he developed an inflammation of the muscles caused by a tick-borne disease. The puppy's every move painful. He couldn't even open his mouth to eat.
When I brought him here, basically I had a choice to euthanize him or, do treatment.
He went in several times. On this day, a follow-up going in at the same time with Archie, our near-drowning victim.
He's improved 100%. I brought him in here and he had to be carried in, and now he's running around like crazy.
But some would deem crazy the expense. Treatments range from $125 to $200 per 1 hour session. All told, our dog owner here spent $15,000 all out of pocket.
Great expense, but you love your animal and you bring them in, they become a family member, so you'll do anything for them.
Juan